Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sorting and organising my washi collection with you. This is all of my washi tape plus an overflow tray and what's down here, and that is what I'm going to be organising today. I do have some Halloween and Christmas washi and they are currently with the Halloween and Christmas scrapbooking supplies. I also have some of these boxes and they're with the Maggie Holmes scrapbooking collections. They just don't fit in here. I have way too much. So all of my washi is kept in these wooden cutlery trays. I bought them on Amazon and they just sit in my Alex drawers. My washi collection is quite tidy, but it isn't particularly organised. So I currently have my washi organised by brand, and I have some recollections from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, London Gifties, Jordan Clark, a Cheyenne one. I have some from Etsy, eBay, AliExpress. There's some MT tape and Note and Wish. This hasn't really been working that well for me recently. I've been wanting to get a particular colour and I've had to go through the whole tray to find what I want. So I thought if I try to organise it by colour, then maybe that would make it a little bit easier for me. You may have noticed as well that some of my washi is still in wrappers, and that's for a couple of reasons. It stops them from collecting dust, it stops them from unravelling like this, and it also tells me which ones I have or haven't used. One day I would love it if all of my washi could fit in these trays, but for now that's not going to be possible, but one day, definitely one day. I'll see you at the end of the video, guys. So I have finally finished organising all of my washi. I found it really difficult organising it all by colour. I didn't realise how many blue and green washies I had, and I couldn't fit all of the floral ones in with their respective colours. So I've done the best that I could. So I've got yellows, oranges, reds, greens, blues, pinks, golds, browns, silvers, black and white, purple, floral, white and patterned, a few more florals, wide washi, and then more florals. I'm not particularly keen with the purple ones being over here. I would have preferred them with the blues, but I just don't have room for them right now. And I did want to try and put the florals, like the blue ones, in with the blue, but again, I just didn't have enough space. Now, I absolutely love this tray because it's like rainbow coloured, whereas this one's a bit more neutral, but I might eventually put all of my florals together and take them all out of here, but for now, I think this will do. I did manage to empty all of the washi in here, into here, and I also managed to find 10 washi that I'm going to be moving on. I also did take out these ones, and I'm going to put these ones in with the Christmas washi, and I haven't yet decided what I'm going to do with these ones just yet. I did forget to mention that I do have washi samples as well, but I keep them separate. So all of my washi samples are in this tray here, and that works really well for me. I would love to know how you all organise and store your washi, so please let me know in the comments section down below. I am going to see how this works for me over the next few weeks and months, and fingers crossed it works well and I can find the washi that I need. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and taking a little bit of a peek inside my washi collection, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.